Let's make the viral one pan queso chicken and rice. So to start with, what you need is 3 chicken breasts. You're gonna cube the chicken up into small little pieces. Okay, we got the chicken all cut up. Now we're gonna season it with some garlic powder and onion powder. Cumin. And then salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add the chicken to a hot skillet. Once the chicken is cooked about halfway through, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 1 can of Rotel, 1 can of condensed cheddar cheese soup. Give this a good mix. Now that this is boiling, we're gonna add 1 cup of uncooked white rice. Set heat to medium. Mix this rice a little bit in. This is what it's looking like. Almost done. It's so good every time.